On this 2010 to 2016 Honda CR-V, B1236 points to an open in the passenger side air mix control motor circuit. In plain terms, the climate control unit may be losing the position signal or circuit connection it expects from the passenger air mix door motor. The customer may notice the passenger side temperature does not respond correctly, or the HVAC may set the code during its self-check. The broad possible fault areas are the passenger air mix control motor circuit, the wiring and connector between that motor and the climate control unit, the motor itself, or the climate control unit. Start by proving the code is active before getting into circuit checks. First, clear the code with the HDS. Turn the vehicle to OFF, then back to on. Run the HVAC self-diagnostic with either the HDS or the climate control unit, then check for codes. If B1236 or the matching display code 43 comes right back, continue to the circuit checks. If it does not return, treat it as an intermittent. At that point, concentrate on loose wires or poor connections in the passenger air mix control motor circuit, instead of forcing a hard fault diagnosis that is not present right now. With the code confirmed, turn the vehicle OFF and disconnect the passenger air mix control motor 7P connector. Turn the vehicle back on. Measure voltage from terminal No. 2 at that disconnected 7P connector to body ground. You are looking for about 5V. If about 5V is present, that side of the circuit is considered okay, and the next check is the shared sensor return side. If about 5V is not present, move to the same circuit at the climate control unit connector to see where the open is showing up. Leave the vehicle in on mode and leave the passenger air mix control motor 7P connector disconnected. Now measure between terminal No. 2 and terminal No. 3 at that same motor connector. Again, the expected reading is about 5V. If about 5V is present here, the sensor COM side of the circuit is okay, and the diagnostic path calls for replacing the passenger air mix control motor. If about 5V is not present, repair the open in the wire between the climate control unit and the passenger air mix control motor. If the first motor connector check did not show about 5V, keep the vehicle on and keep the passenger air mix control motor connector disconnected. Measure voltage from climate control unit 32P connector terminal No. 21 to body ground. The expected value is still about 5V. If about 5V is present at the climate control unit but not at the motor connector, repair the open in the wire between the climate control unit and the passenger air mix control motor. If about 5V is not present at the climate control unit, the AMDPS circuit is considered okay by this path, and the diagnostic result is to replace the climate control unit. Keep the confirmation separate from the pinpoint checks. Use the same self-diagnostic routine from the beginning. Clear the code, cycle the vehicle OFF and on, run the HVAC self-check, and confirm B1236 does not come back. The key on this one is not to guess at the motor or the control unit. Prove whether the about 5V circuit is present at the motor, prove the return side, and only then follow the branch the test results give you. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.